Hey, welcome to Preppy Kitchen. Today I'm here with my mom, Rita, who's amazing, and she's gonna be showing us a delicious stuffed chicken breast in like a cheese sauce, is that right?
Yes, a cheese sauce. We're gonna start by using 2 tablespoonfuls of butter.
So she's making a roux to start, and that's like 2 tablespoons of butter and probably 2 tablespoons of flour. So a roux is basically just flour and butter, and you cook the flour in the butter for like a minute. There's different kinds of roux. There's like a white roux, a brown roux, goes on, but I think it's like a white roux. And once that's done, you can add a thickening agent. So if you added like scalded milk in, you're making a bechamel sauce. What my mom is adding is half a cup of vegetable stock.
We're gonna stir it.
Okay.
And we're gonna use some cream, half a cup of cream.
Ooh, I'm liking this already, half a cup of cream. So you're gonna whisk until it becomes thick. As it thickens, you're gonna notice it kind of starts jumping off of the pan. So while you whisk, you can see that it's, you can see the pan underneath.
1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of balsamic.
So 1/3 of a cup of broth. My mom never measures, so she's not liking this. She's like, what's this cup about?
Half a cup of Parmesan cheese.
Okay, this is a party.
Okay.
All right, and the cheese will just melt in there. You could basically take off the heat right now.
And now we're gonna do these vegetables.
Okay, so 2 tablespoons of butter.
Half an onion that we are going to saute, and the garlic. Let's add the garlic.
Okay.
And add a pinch of salt. It's gonna take a couple of minutes to
Yeah, so we can.
soften it. Let's add the mushrooms, 2 cups of mushrooms.
So 2 cups of mushrooms, and what kind are you putting in here?
Well, they are baby portobello mushrooms.
Although really any mushroom would do, right?
Any mushroom.
I like cremini mushrooms.
We are going to add the thyme, fresh thyme, about 2 teaspoons.
So like we'll add the spinach in slowly because it takes up so much space in the beginning. But as you all know, it like
Reduces to
nothing. And where did my spinach go?
And to this mixture, we want to add a little bit of the cheese sauce, so it is a creaminess of the vegetables.
So now we're adding in basically 1/4 of a cup-ish of this sauce, and really it's just to bind it together. Okay, so we're gonna take some chicken breasts out and slice them, right?
Yes, you need to take this tendon because it's a white part there. It's a tendon that needs to be taken out.
It's an unpleasant reminder of what was.
Yes.
Poor chicken. Thanks, chicken. All right, so before we add this in, we're gonna be a little bit luxuriant. We're gonna indulge ourselves and just add some thin slices of gouda in there. And then when it bakes, it's really gonna melt and
Make it more creamy.
really creamy. Gouda is a good one for getting those like nice cheese porn creamy shots, right? We're adding in like a tablespoon of butter for the searing of the chicken.
Take a little bit of the gouda, a little of the spinach, the mushrooms.
And you can't overfill either, right? Because you want to have like a good ratio, and also you don't want to spill out when just explode. All right, so I'm just going to
Secure it.
kind of like sew it together. Okay, so we have our 3 chicken breasts on high heat here to sear, and we just want to kind of brown them a little bit and lock in that moisture. And then when we bake them, they'll be like really beautiful and golden too.
Oh, it's a nice color like that.
Our chicken breasts are all seared. They smell amazing. They're raw in the middle though, so we have to bake them. So we're just gonna transfer them over here to a casserole dish. And then I'm gonna pull the toothpicks out now. So we don't have any surprises.
Perfect.
As I'm quite forgetful. We're just gonna spoon in our sauce. Do you use all the sauce in here?
No.
So you save some for later? that makes sense. Take this into the oven at 350 for how long, Mom?
20 minutes.
Okay. This baked at 350 for 20 minutes, and then we broiled it for 5, and it is outrageous. Mom, this smells so good. I can't wait to eat it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna have it with some rice and asparagus and call it a day.
Oh, it'll be delicious.
Recipe's up on the blog. Don't forget to subscribe. Hope you have a good day.